Hey, techies. Welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. I want to talk to you about um, those of you who are looking for jobs. If you're looking for a job and you've been looking for a while and you're not getting interviewed and you're not getting anything, right? You got to ask yourself, why is that? Right? Let's assume you have a great skill set and you were working somewhere for a while, and for whatever reason, you left, you got laid off, you got fired, whatever it is, right? You're unemployed now, you've been working for a while, but you're just not getting any traction. You're getting ghosted, you're not getting any interviews. Why is that? It's probably because you're not acknowledging how much the job market has really changed. And you have to take a good hard look at your resume and how that's presenting you, right? Your resume is a marketing device, okay? Your resume is what will get your foot in the door. To at least have a conversation with HR or a recruiter. But if your resume doesn't have the latest on it, you're not going to get any traction. Take a good hard look and imagine yourself to be a hiring manager. You have 200 resumes in front of you. You have deadlines that you need to meet. You have new projects going on that you need to attend to. And you need to hire somebody new. Which one of those tasks gets the most of your attention? Spoiler alert, it's not the hiring, right? But you really need someone. So you've got 200 resumes. Are you reading those resumes? No. You're just skimming them. You're looking for buzzwords. Probably your HR put them in the ATS and found the buzzwords for you, or you have some sort of AI to find the words that you're looking for. That is why people keep saying to make sure that you tailor your resume for the job that you're pursuing so that the phrases in the job are in your resume. Now, you got to do it in a way that doesn't make it really obvious, because nobody wants to be in paste, because that doesn't seem like a real resume. But you have to make yourself look, okay, look, this is how I look at it for myself. When you look at my resume, I want you to be compelled to talk to me. I want my to be undeniable. I want whoever's reading that resume to feel like I have got to talk to this woman. So that's the perspective you want to have. And, if you want to know what you need to change, most of us experienced professionals have been involved in hiring people in some way or other, even if not directly. You might just give some feedback to the manager who's going to do the hiring. You might sit in on a couple of interviews. Okay? So if you were going to hire you, what would you be looking for? Find your dream job description, okay? Even if you don't see it out on the internet, find one that's close and alter it to what you would want it to say. And then make sure your resume fits that. If you want to be in a leadership role, do you have any leadership skills? Are they shown on your resume? What people really want is somebody who's going to make their lives easier. I was told to, and I'm telling you this out of personal experience, I was told to update my resume and show not responsibilities and duties, but achievements, accomplishments with numbers. And that really made a difference, I believe. It made my resume much more readable, if anything else, because, all the resumes, after you get through the first 30 out of 200, they're all kind of looking alike now, right? So You want yours to be a differentiator. You want yours to be the one that makes people take pause, engages them, pulls them in, like a good web page, right? You want it to be, oh, this person saved the company X dollars. Oh, this person reduced that processing time by 25%. That's exactly the kind of person I want on my team, right? That's what you want your resume to do. Okay, that's it for today. That's all I have for you for now. Like the video, share the video, follow the channel, check me out on YouTube, and do come back when we will continue to talk tech. Bye.